A very warm welcome to all of you in our nursery class. So, have you all enjoyed your Thirsty Crow story? Yes? Very good. So, let's start with our class now. First of all, again, we will check our date. So, today is 15 April 2021. Repeat with me. 15 April 2021. And what's the day today? It's Thursday. Repeat with me. It's Thursday. Very good. So, do you want to play a game with ma'am? Yes, I know your favorite game. Simon says. Very good. So, ma'am will start the game now. Okay? So, stand up everyone. Come on. Stand up. Yes. Okay. So, do this. 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 Okay. Do this. Do this. Very good. Do this. Very good. So, children, now you can sit down. Okay. Now, as you see, हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया अभी? Clap our hands, right? These are hands, right? हमने कुछ आवाज सुनी? Can we hear sound? How can we hear the sound? कैसे हमने आवाज सुनी? सबने आवाज सुनी? Yes, but कैसे? Okay, then we touch this thing, right? And then we touch this, and then we touched this. So, these all are our parts of body. These all are our parts of body. And this is our body. This is our body, okay? Our head, our face, our hands, our chest, our legs, whole this thing is our body. This is our whole body. Okay? So, this is our whole body. What it is? Body. Very good. So, there are different parts in our body. Okay? So, today we will talk about the parts of body. Okay? So, let's start with our class now. Let's see. Come with ma'am. There are some pictures of our parts of body. Okay, so you have to see very carefully. Okay, and turn by turn we will discuss on that. First, what we can see? Yes, this is our eyes. These are eyes. So you wanna see? Eyes. This is eyes. Repeat with me. Eyes. Show me your eyes. Touch your eyes. Eyes. Touch your eyes. Eyes. Very good. Do you know what eyes हमारी कैसे हेल्प करती है हमारी बॉडी के लिए? Okay. Tell me, what is this? Tomato. First you see the picture, right? First you see the picture and then you told me that, oh ma'am, this is tomato. So, how can we see? How can you see the ma'am? Through our eyes. Because of our eyes we can see. Through our eyes we can see. We can see mountains, right? If we go on holidays, we can see mountains, right? Or we can see sun, right? We can see clouds. So, how can we see all these things? Through our eyes. We can see all of them. Okay? So, next thing is do this. Ma'am said you do this. So, these are our These are ears. Okay? So ears हमारी कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? What they do for us? Have you heard the sound? Yes, they help us to hear the things. अभी हमारा डोर बेल बजेगा. Okay, and you will say, "Mama, bell बजा है." तो कैसे आपको पता चला कि बेल की साउंड आ रही है? Because of our ears, we can hear. Okay, so if bell ring हुआ तो bell means yes, through ears we can hear the sound of the bell. Okay, so show me your ears, everyone. Very good. So move on to next thing. Nose. Where is our nose? We have all tiny nose, right? So this is our nose, and through nose we how nose help us? कैसे help करती है nose हमारी? Yes, if we spray this thing, wow, it's so nice. हमें कैसे पता चला ये? It smells really good through our nose. अगर हम डस्टबिन के पास से जाते हैं तो हमें गंदा सा स्मेल आता है, right? हम अपने नोज बंद कर लेते हैं, right? Because हमारी नोज से we can smell. Through our nose we can smell. ठीक है? We can smell these beautiful flowers also. Okay? So everyone, show me your nose. Very good. So move on to next. That is tongue. Very good. You are right. Next is our tongue. Show me your tongue. Very good. So through our tongue, how tongue help us? Yes. Chocolate का taste कैसा होता है? How chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes, we all love chocolate. Even I also love chocolates. So chocolates का taste कैसा होता है? मीठा मीठा? Yes. And fruits like mango कैसा होता है वो? मीठा मीठा, right? So हमें कैसे पता चला कि उसमें मीठा है? Through our tongue. अगर टंग नहीं होती तो हमें टेस्ट भी नहीं आता. ठीक है? तो थ्रू आवर टंग वी कैन टेस्ट. ओके? टंग हमारी किस चीज में हेल्प करती है? टेस्ट. ओके? सो नाउ एवरीवन शो योर टंग. वेरी गुड. सो मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट थिंग. Hey, what we have? Mr. Balu. Do you know Mr. Balu is very soft? Do you know? He is very soft. You can also touch Mr. Balu. He is very soft. मुझे कैसा? How will I realize that this thing is very soft? मुझे कैसे पता चला Mr. Balu was soft है? Because of my skin. Because of my skin, I can feel that this is soft. That this thing is soft. Okay? और कभी हमने गलती से पानी को गर्म पानी पे के टम्बलर में हमारा हाथ लग जाता है तो हम एकदम से हटा लेते हैं, राइट? हमें कैसे पता चला कि वो गर्म है? थ्रू आवर स्किन. तो स्किन इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी एंड इट ऑल्सो कॉल्ड sense of organs. These are also called sense of organs. Repeat with me. Sense of organs. Okay? So we have 5 sense of organs. Okay? Repeat with me. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Very good. So you all have to revise these things at your home. Okay? Everyone clear? Great. Hey students, so now we will do one exercise. Okay? So all are you ready? Yes. So now see these pictures. ओके, वी हैव टू मैच, ओके, कि हमारी आईज क्या करती है, ओके, सो वी हैव टू मैच। आईज से किसका मैचिंग हो सकता है, देखो आईज से हम क्या करते हैं, देखते हैं, वी कैन सी फ्रॉम आवर आईज, सो थ्रू आईज वी कैन सी द सन, yes, and the cloud, so we will match eyes to the sun. Next is ears. Through ears we can hear the sound, so bell, ears, bell, right? Next, nose. Through nose we can, through nose what we can do, we can smell. So where is flower? Yes, so we have to match it to the flower. Next, tongue. Through tongue we can taste. Very good. So what do you want to taste? Chocolate. So we will match tongue to chocolate. And how can we feel soft? Through our skin, through our skin, okay, so you have to do this exercise at your home, okay, so I will see you in your next class. Bye bye.